Today, I'm going to be showing you how to replace the shift cable bushing on a Mazda 626. We first noticed a problem with the car when the starter would not spin. The car would kill power to everything like it normally should when starting, but there's no click from the Bendix and no spin from the motor, regardless of what gear it was in. So I looked elsewhere for the problem. I first went to the transmission range switch, located on the driver's side of the transmission, and found that the cable was not attached and what was left of the bushing was crumbling inside of the cable eyelet. Then I started on removal of the cable just to make the bushing installation easier. You can see here my finger pointing to the range switch, the metal piece protruding towards the bottom of the screen. To remove the cable, you must first take out the retaining clip holding the cable in. You can see me wiggle it with my finger. The clip is easily taken out with a flathead screwdriver, as seen here. Next, on the cable there are barbs holding it into the bracket. You'll have to find a way to push these in while simultaneously pulling on the cable to get it out. Here you can see the eyelet where the bushing used to be. This is the replacement bushing kit I am using. It comes with the bushing, lubricant, and a tool to press the bushing in. Arrange the press tool and bushing like this, and then press it into the cable. Then lubricate the back side of the bushing so that it will, as easily as possible, slide over the range switch. Once lubricated, use your hand to set the range switch to the position the cable will be at, meaning if you have the shifter in park, you want the range switch all the way at the bottom. If in low gear, you want it all the way at the top. Pop the barbed section of the cable back into the bracket, and then push the cable and bushing onto the range switch. Take your clip, being careful not to drop it, and put it back into the cable. Once secured, shift through the gears to make sure the cable is not going to pop off again. Then start the car. Now that you're done, you should have saved money and got your car running again.
Hey, I would like to thank you guys for watching. If this video helped you out, let me know by leaving a like. If not, go ahead and leave a comment and let me know what you guys think and what I could have done better. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. I'm glad to help. I try to help out as much as possible. Just most of all, let me know what you guys think. And thanks for watching.